Bacteria are everywhere. They're in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even inside our bodies. Some bacteria are beneficial, but others can make us sick. So how do we beat bacteria? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of bacteria and exploring the strategies we use to combat them. From antibiotics to hygiene practices, we've got it all covered. First, let's understand what bacteria are. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms that thrive in diverse environments. They can be found in soil, water, plants, animals, and humans. While many bacteria are harmless, some can cause infections. One of the most significant tools we have against harmful bacteria is antibiotics. Discovered in the early 20th century, antibiotics have saved countless lives. One of the most significant tools we have against harmful bacteria is antibiotics. Discovered in the early 20th century, antibiotics have saved countless lives. However, misuse and overuse of antibiotics have led to antibiotic resistance, where bacteria evolve and become immune to these drugs. Beyond antibiotics, hygiene and sanitation are crucial in preventing bacterial infections. Simple practices like washing hands, cooking food properly, and sanitizing surfaces can make a big difference. Hospitals and clinics also follow strict sterilization procedures to minimize bacterial contamination. Vaccines are another powerful tool in our fight against bacteria. Vaccines stimulate our immune system to recognize and combat specific bacteria. For example, the pneumococcal vaccine helps protect against pneumonia, meningitis, and other infections caused by pneumococcal bacteria. Researchers are continuously exploring new ways to fight bacteria, from phage therapy, which uses viruses to target bacteria, to developing new antibiotics and treatments. There's also a growing interest in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help maintain a healthy balance in our bodies. While bacteria can pose serious challenges, we have many tools to combat them. By using antibiotics responsibly, maintaining good hygiene, getting vaccinated, and supporting ongoing research, we can keep bacterial infections at bay. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Let's stay informed and healthy together. See you in the next video.